To transfer money from Bank of America to Zelle, you need to have a Bank of America account and be enrolled in the Zelle network. First, ensure your Bank of America account is active and you have sufficient funds for the transfer. Next, download and install the Zelle app on your mobile device if you haven't already. You can find the Zelle app in the App Store for iOS devices or Google Play Store for Android devices. Once the app is installed, open it and select Bank of America as your bank. You will be redirected to the Bank of America website to verify your account information. Enter your Bank of America online banking username and password to authenticate your account. After verifying your account, you will be asked to enroll in the Zelle network. This involves accepting the terms of service and providing some personal information, such as your name, email address, and mobile phone number. Once enrolled, you can start sending money to others using Zelle. To do this, select the Send Money option in the Zelle app and enter the recipient's email address or mobile phone number. Choose your Bank of America account as the funding source and enter the amount you want to transfer. Review the transaction details to ensure everything is correct. Then confirm the transfer. The recipient will receive the money directly into their bank account, usually within minutes. It's essential to note that Zelle transfers are typically free, but your bank may charge a small fee for certain transactions. Also, be aware of the daily transfer limits set by Bank of America and Zelle to avoid any issues with your transaction. To receive money from others using Zelle, simply provide them with your email address or mobile phone number associated with your Zelle account. The sender will initiate the transfer, and the money will be deposited directly into your Bank of America account. In conclusion, transferring money from Bank of America to Zelle is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few easy steps. By following these instructions and taking the necessary precautions, you can safely and efficiently send and receive money using Zelle.